In this question, you have to identify the step in sewage treatment that removes suspended solids. Option A, secondary treatment. It is incorrect because secondary treatment, it involves the biological breakdown of organic matter using microorganisms to degrade dissolved organic substances. Option B, primary treatment. Now, primary treatment is the first stage of sewage treatment, which involves the removal of suspended solids and organic matter through physical processes such as screening, sedimentation, and flotation. Hence, it is the correct option. Option C, sludge treatment. It is incorrect because sludge treatment occurs after the primary and secondary treatment stages. It involves the processing of the solid waste, that is the sludge, that is generated during the earlier stages. Option D, tertiary treatment. It is also incorrect because it is the final stage of sewage treatment, and it is for the further improving of water quality by removing the remaining contaminants such as nitrogen, phosphorus, or remaining pathogens.